Hello, everyone. MAPS transformational coach Christina Doolam coming to you with this week's quick coaching tip of the week. I'd like to introduce you to a different triangle than the one that maybe you've seen in MREA. So if you want to, go ahead and draw a triangle. And in the middle of that triangle, I want you to write the word results. Just results in the middle of the triangle. On the outside of the triangle, at the bottom outside, I want you to write 3 words, phrases, skill set, mindset, and activities. On the top left-hand side, again, outside of the triangle, I want you to write schedule/calendar. And then on the top right-hand side, I want you to write standards and expectations. Now, in the middle of that triangle, the word results, that represents your goals for 2021. Or maybe that's your 1-year, 3-year, 5-year goals, your someday goals, as Gary talks about in the One Thing. Those are the desired results that we have that we're committed to achieving. And as a coach, my question for you is, what skill set might be missing or need improvement that will actually help you be successful in achieving those goals, in creating those results? What mindset is getting in the way? What activities are missing or need to be removed to help us successfully achieve those goals, those results? How does your schedule look? How's your calendar? Have you created a schedule that supports you and creates the right time blocks, the right efficiencies, the right effectiveness for you to be able to achieve those results? And then as we look at that right-hand side, those standards and expectations, if you have a team, what standards and expectations are you bringing into the team? What are you holding them accountable to? If you're a solo agent, what standards and expectations do you have of yourself? Do you have of others? Do you have of those people who support you? So that you can have your standards and expectations, your schedule, your skill set, your mindset, and your activities all working together rather than against each other to help you create results. This has been your coaching tip of the week. Make it a great one, and let's go and create those results we're committed to creating.